you. These ones you can't blow out. I blew them out though.
What's happening, Aiden?
Come help.
You're gonna
we got
have spitty cookies. Aiden, what's happening?
I don't know.
What's happening?
Get the smoke detector together.
Seriously. They won't blow out. I hope you like your slobber cookies. Oh, it's starting to get stinky.
I did it.
Oh.